Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Salt & Stone Lip Balm and Sunscreen Lotion. Let's get started. Salt & Stone is a relatively new brand in the market, focusing on all natural organic ingredients in their line of skincare products. The two we have today is the Lip Balm and Sunscreen Lotion. I've been using these two products hand in hand for the past month, and now they've become a part of my daily skin routine starting from the morning up into the late afternoons. Starting off with the lip balm, the scent has a subtle mint aroma without being overpowering. The natural ingredients infused inside the lip balm kept my lips non-irritated and hydrated throughout the day, applying and reapplying in dry conditions. The Salt & Stone Sunscreen SPF 30 lotion also stays true to the lip balm, made with only premium organic ingredients that has never irritated my skin during the time using it. Although I did find the texture to be a bit pasty when applying on my body, knowing that there are no chemicals to soften or water the texture was reassuring. The scent is a blend of Cacao Seed Butter and Aloe Barbadensis Leaf Powder, which gives an overall subtly sweet and pleasant scent with no trace of chemical residue. Salt & Stone has proven itself to be a brand that stays true to its core beliefs, providing truly all-natural skincare solutions made with the best of ingredients for those who want to stay protected when out and active under the sun. The Salt & Stone Lip Balm and Sunscreen Lotion is available now and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.